Uttaranchal University, Dehradun, NAC A+ accredited university.
Hi, this is Siddhisha. I'm a handwriting trainer and a graphologist. So in today's class, we'll discuss some basic strokes in handwriting. Okay. So before starting the basic strokes, first you should be comfortable with the pencil or pen, whatever you're using. You should be comfortable with that. So for that purpose, you have to practice this stroke. మీరు ఏ పెన్ యూజ్ చేసినా లైక్ వాట్ ఎవర్ పెన్సిల్ యూఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఫస్ట్ ఈ స్ట్రోక్ డ్రా చేయండి. దీని మీద 5 times స్లోగా ట్రేస్ చేయండి. 5 times స్లోగా ట్రేస్ చేయండి. ఫర్ ది ఫస్ట్ 5 times. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఫాస్ట్గా ట్రేస్ చేయండి ఆన్ ద సేమ్ స్ట్రోక్ ఫర్ 5 times. ఫాస్ట్గా ట్రేసింగ్ షుడ్ బి డన్ ఫాస్ట్. So this stroke will help you to make you comfortable with the pencil or pen, like whatever you are using. దానికి మీకు కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఫీల్ అవుతారు. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ we will move on to the first stroke. So whatever strokes which I'm discussing today, they are used for the cursive handwriting. So cursive handwriting ki like use అయ్యే strokes అన్నమాట ఇవన్నీ. The first stroke is our basic stroke, straight line stroke. Lines అన్ని straight గా within the top and the bottom line. టాప్ లైన్ టచ్ చేసుకుంటూ బాటమ్ లైన్ టచ్ చేసుకుంటూ లైన్స్ స్ట్రెయిట్గా డ్రా చేయండి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రోక్. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ స్లాంటింగ్ లైన్స్ టువర్డ్స్ యువర్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. మేకింగ్ స్లాంటింగ్ లైన్స్ టువర్డ్స్ యువర్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఐ am doing in a single rule notebook. Okay, please take a single rule notebook and you can practice the same. Making slanting lines towards your left side. So when you're making these lines, try to leave equal space between all the strokes. Equal space, anni strokes madhyalo equal space vachayettu try cheyandi. The next one is the slanting lines towards your right side. Making slanting lines towards your right side. Making slanting lines like this towards your right side. So when you're making the slanting lines, try to leave equal space between all the strokes. Like this, equal spacing between all the strokes. So initial ga like you won't get it properly, no problem. Practice chese kondi vastudi making leaving equal space between the lines. So illa manam practice chesinappudu when we are writing the words, manam words writing start chesinappudu we will leave equal spacing between the letters. So illa aeroplane ane word rastam, then ila rasnappudu if you are practicing the strokes properly, we will leave proper spacing between the letters also. This is the breathing space. The space is called breathing space. So, this is proper ga undali. If you leave the breathing space properly, then the entire word will look properly. So, for that purpose, I am telling to leave equal space between each and every stroke. Okay. The next stroke is our mountain stroke. Mountain stroke is starting from the bottom line. This is your top line and this is your bottom line. Starting from the bottom line, first you make a curve, then you go slanting, touch the top line and make one more curve. Okay, curve, slanting, curve. This is your mountain stroke. Curve, slanting, curve. Curve, slanting, curve. Curve, slanting, curve. This is your mountain stroke. So, ee stroke like this is used most of the times. Chaala letters ki manam ee stroke anedi use chestam. So, the next stroke is our C stroke. C stroke draw chesedappudu we consider this part as the complete width of the line. The C stroke will be half of the width of the line. The ratios are important. Ikkada chudandi, mountain stroke is 1. It is covering the entire width of the line. This is considered as 1. Ippudu C stroke, this is considered as half of the width of the line. In this way, we have to make the C stroke. When you're making the C stroke, all like you have to leave equal space between the C's and all the C's should maintain the same height. Anni C's same height maintain cheyali and equal spacing undali. Touch the bottom line properly and don't make strokes like this. Illa top line touch cheyakunda, okay, and not leaving proper space is wrong. Okay, leave proper spacing between the letters always. The next stroke is our L stroke. L stroke ela untadi, starting from the bottom line, curve, going up, slanting, touching the top line, making a loop like this. This is our L stroke, like this. In this way, we make the L stroke. వన్స్ యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ ద స్ట్రోక్స్ ప్రాపర్లీ మీకు లెటర్స్ రాయటం అనేది చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది బికాస్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద లెటర్స్ ఆర్ ఫార్మ్డ్ యూజింగ్ దీస్ స్ట్రోక్స్ ఓన్లీ. Most of the letters are formed using these letters only. So this is our L stroke. And the last stroke in our cursive handwriting lo use chese letters kosam. The last stroke I will show you. The last stroke is our U stroke. Like this. We are making the U same. Like C stroke rasam kada. It will also maintain the half height. Half height maintain chestudi. And this is your U stroke. In this way, this is our U stroke. So when you are making the U stroke also, try to leave equal space between all the letters, like all the strokes, and all of them should be of same size. Anni same size lo equal ga undali. So these are our basic strokes for the cursive handwriting. So these are our basic strokes for cursive handwriting. So ee strokes anni manaki cursive handwriting lo use chestamu. Next class lo manamu print handwriting lo ఏ strokes use chestamu. We will see in the next class.
సుమన్ టీవీలో మీ పర్సనల్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.